Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor Classes, and in this particular video I will discuss how you can convert a list to a string. Okay, so in my previous video I have already shown you how you can convert a string to a list, right? Like here I have taken one string h equal to welcome to Python. Now the delimiter is hyphen, so what we will do, we will use dot split method and we will pass hyphen as parameter or argument, we can say. So g equal to h dot split hyphen. Okay, now if you print, you will be getting welcome to Python as a list. Elements are welcome to and Python. Okay, now you want to do reverse thing, that is from welcome to Python you want to get back this particular string. What you can do, simple, see, in between two element we have to give hyphen, right? That's what point to be noted. So what we will do, we will write that one which has to be inserted between two elements of the list after while joining, and then dot join. Why will use join? Because we have to join all these elements of the list and make a single string, right? So that is join, nothing but join operation, right? Join, then what you have to give, you have to give name of the list. Okay, g. If I run now, if I simply print rs, I'll be getting welcome to Python as a string. Okay, you can check the data type of rs, you'll be getting string. Okay, so like let me give one more simple example. Suppose er equal to, okay, I am writing a list of string chocolate, apple, and then mango. I have written all the things which I like very much. Okay, maybe some may go common with you also. Okay, now what I want to make a string, and that will be interesting. We will apply 2-3 concepts together. I like to eat. Okay, I like to eat chocolate, apple, mango. Okay, so what we can do, I want to make a complete sentence, so I have to concat these two strings, so I am using plus for concatenation. Okay, now chocolate, apple, mango, while I will be writing in a sentence I should give comma, so I am giving comma first and then dot join and then yard. Okay, so let me put it some other variable e. Okay, so I like to eat plus for concatenation, then comma because I have to give comma in between the elements after joining, and then er. Okay, now if I run, now if I simply print, see what we'll be getting. I like to eat chocolate, apple, mango. But the problem is that eat and chocolate, in between eat and chocolate there is no space, but there should be space. So what we will do, very simple, we will be inserting one space. That's all. So er, then e, then if I run, see, beautiful. I like to eat chocolate, apple, mango. Okay. So this is how you can play with strings and list, convert one to other form. Okay, using dot join, dot split. Okay, lots of things can be done. Play with it. Try to have fun in this programming, because programming is everything about logical thinking and fun only. Okay, so this is all for my this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment, because your valuable feedback will obviously motivate us and help us to improve. Okay, if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest video notification from our channel. Thank you.